Welcome back! Thank you for clicking into my video. Today I will share the broccoli tuna salad recipe. Hope you like it. This salad is refreshing and delicious and not greasy at all. It is also a great choice for a simple dinner. Tuna fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, potassium, vitamin B12 and protein, which effectively maintains cardiovascular and brain health. Broccoli tuna salad. Ingredients: broccoli, cherry tomatoes, tuna chunk. Cherry tomatoes wash and cut half. Wash and cut broccoli into florets. Steam broccoli for 15 minutes. Broccoli is cooked. Pour broccoli into big bowl. Add cherry tomatoes. Pour tuna into bowl. This extra virgin olive oil tuna chunk is tasty. Optional to sprinkle grind black pepper. Broccoli tuna salad is ready to eat. Isn't it great to eat it simply? Give it a try. This salad is delicious. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.